These days, it seems like everyone has a camera, and that is pretty accurate when you consider that our cell phones have some of the best cameras out there. However, these cameras don't always work so well, especially when you are shooting a video for professional purposes or just starting as a beginner, which is why we started to wonder what were the best video cameras for creatives. After going through some of the best products in the market, we have created a list of the 4K camcorders we found good. And in this video, we will talk about the top 10 best 4K camcorders in 2020 that are designed for different kinds of users. We will take into account video and build quality, features and price, so you can decide which is the best for you. So without any more waiting, let us get started. Sony has been a pioneer in the camcorder field, and their FDRA700 4K HDR camcorder is a testament to their dedication to giving users the artistic freedom to create stunning videos either for personal consumption or public broadcast. It has a huge 1-inch black illuminated Exmor RS CMOS sensor of 14.2 megapixel that is far larger than most camcorder imagers and will give you a better low-light performance. Recording in HDR using hybrid log gamma enables you to record and display wider ranges of exposure and color than normally available in SDR media. Its 29mm wide-angle Zeiss Variosonor T lens with 12x optical zoom allows you to bring more of the action on the screen. Its lens ring facilitates smooth and precise manual adjustment of either focus or zoom. Its OLED electronic viewfinder allows for confident compositions, while its 3.5-inch touchscreen LCD panel can be used for menu navigation as well as focus point selection. Its built-in LAN-C ports allows connection to a LAN-C compatible accessory so you can control the camcorder remotely, while its 4K HDMI and Wi-Fi connectivity will let you send clean 4K video to external monitors. Overall, the Sony FDRA700 is packed with professional level functions and, at the same time, the home users will appreciate the level of quality offered. If you're going to shoot some professional level videos, then this camcorder right here might be the one for you. If you are looking for the absolute best camcorder that will help you to do live streaming on Facebook or YouTube, then the JVC-HM250 is hands down the best camcorder you can get right now. It's built to deliver stunning, true to live video and features a 1x2.3-inch sensor. It captures UHD 4K video at 24 or 30p with a precision of 12x optical zoom lens. The JVC's 4K CMOS sensor with 12.4 megapixel delivers high sensitivity and excellent performance over a wide range of lighting conditions. For composing and monitoring video, the camcorder features a 3.5-inch LCD, a 0.24-inch viewfinder, and a smart focus assist function. If you're after a camcorder that can do live streaming on Facebook and YouTube, look no further, as the JVC-HM250 will match every single one of those expectations.
If you like our video and want to watch more, then consider subscribing to this channel as it will help us grow further.
Get to know the Canon's new XF705 professional camcorder, which puts impressive 4K UHD recording capabilities into a compact and portable design that will elevate your shooting experience pretty easily. The Canon XF705, the first ever Canon camcorder, adopts the H.265 HEVC codec, which improves the efficiency of 4K data handling. It incorporates a 13.4 megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor with 15x HD optical zoom with up to 30x digital zoom, a 4-inch touchscreen LCD, and 5-axis optical image stabilization. The lens has 3 manual control rings for iris, focus, and zoom, all with end stops. If you have ever used a manual lens before, then the lens in the XM705 will feel at home in your hands. It supports both dual recording as well as reel recording, which is great for those long interview shots. Overall, the Canon XF705 is a solid beast of a camera in the single-lens camcorder arena. Designed for easy portability, the XF705 is well suited for the documentary, events, sports capture, and for your long interview shots. Capable of recording DCI and UHD 4K resolution videos, the Panasonic HC-X1 4K Ultra HD Professional Camcorder makes a worthy companion for those who will cover events, shoot ENG-style video, and make short films. Equipped with a 1-inch MOS sensor, it can create beautiful background blur while shooting, and with a 20x optical zoom lens, you can shoot at a wide 24mm to a 480mm equivalent FOV. This amazing camcorder supports DCI 4K recording at 24p and UHD up to 60p with bit rates over 100 megabits per second. Moreover, it is capable of shooting super slow motion videos. It also offers an OLED electronic viewfinder for video recording, while the 3.5-inch touchscreen is there for monitoring and menu control. Camera shake is the enemy of anybody who loves to take videos, but don't you worry, because the Panasonic HC-X1 features an advanced OIS system. The Panasonic HC-X1 delivers a great 4K image quality videos and a wealth of features for professional videographers. If you want to shoot some 4K quality footages with impressive optical image stabilization, then the Panasonic HC-X1 is the right choice for you. Much like anything made by Sony, the PSW Z2 is extremely well made in a very compact shape. It is not all the good looks either, because it offers a bevy of high-end features to draw your attention in the 4K camcorder space. Suitable for corporate events, broadcast news, and television production, this camcorder features a stacked 1-inch Exmor RS-CMOS sensor with a UHD 4K at 30 frames per second resolution, a 12x Zeiss optical zoom with built-in optical image stabilization. The flip-out 3.5-inch LCD panel acts as the camera's main viewfinder, and there is also a small OLED electronic viewfinder on the rear of the camera. For audio, it provides external microphone support via 2 3-pin XLR audio inputs and a 3.5mm mini input. If you are looking to buy a compact camcorder that is perfect for shooting excellent videos in 4K with autofocus at its best, then the Sony PSW Z2 is the right choice for you. With an emphasis on multimedia fluency and versatility, the JVC's GY-HC500U is a UHD 4K camcorder filled with supremely powerful features. Featuring a 1-inch CMOS sensor and an integrated 20x optical zoom lens, it can record up to 4K 30 frames per second and can create a 40x digital zoom. It is also capable of streaming HD over IP via a wired connection and can capture in various flavors of ProRes as well as MP4. The camera also supports HDR by recording in HLG or JLOG1. With a built-in flip-out LCD viewfinder just under 4-inch diagonally, the EVA features LISOS technology and over 1.2 million dots of resolution. With its ability to directly transmit video on YouTube or Facebook Live, the JVC GY-HC500U can be an ideal choice for vloggers and social media content creators. Compact and lightweight, the Panasonic Agency EX camcorder packs a wealth of features and video versatility. Featuring a 1x2.5-inch 8.29 million MOS sensor that shoots at 4K resolution, the Agency EX supports a full IP workflow including streaming, ROP control from an iPad or an Android device or through an NDI HX interface. Audio is recorded in up to 24-bit PCM via the built-in microphone. Its built-in Leica decomer lens features a 24x zoom with its widest angle at 25mm, and it uses a digital iZoom feature to zoom up to 48 times. Featuring face detection autofocus, it comes with manual control rings, a control dial, and a 5-axis optical image stabilization to keep your shot steady, while the 3.5-inch fold-out LCD features a high-resolution touchscreen. Besides, the Agency EX incorporates 2 SD card slots, allowing you to use both relay and simultaneous recording. If you're looking for something portable to shoot with, then the Panasonic Agency EX camcorder is a great choice with its compact body and portability. Ideal for documentary and journalism style production, the Canon XA professional UHD 4K camcorder is a compact and lightweight camera. Featuring a 1-inch CMOS sensor, the camera records up to 4K at 30 frames per second and captures to its dual SD card slots and outputs through its mini HDMI and 3G SDI ports. The XA55's optics include an integrated 15x HD optical zoom and a 9-bladed circular iris for more natural highlights, and supports wide DR gamma for low light recording. Its pro style features include dual pixel and contrast autofocus, fast and slow motion recording, optical and electronic image stabilization, a 3-inch touchscreen LCD display, and a 6-image processor with high sensitivity and low noise. On the audio side, the XA55 features up to 4 channels of linear pulse code modulated audio with manual or automatic recording levels, 2 XLR inputs with phantom power, and a 3.5mm stereo mini input alongside a built-in stereo microphone. With its excellent audio features along with its exemplary video quality, the Canon XA55 is virtually custom-built for journalists in electronic media or documentary maker. Sony's PSW Z2 AD camcorder continues the fine tradition of the XDCAM series of cameras with exceptional performance. It can capture 4K at up to 60p, relying on the 3 1x2-inch XMR sensors that provide improved low-light capability when compared to standard sensors. The camera integrates a 17x optical zoom lens and an electronic variable ND filter. The camera supports modern codecs such as XAVC, as well as legacy codecs such as MPEG HD and JVC-Cam, allowing you to use one camera to shoot 4K, HD or SD video. Furthermore, the camera supports S-Log 3 for improved performance and hybrid lock camera, which allows you to shoot and deliver footage compatible with both HDR and SDR without needing laborious post-production work. Featuring 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can record in both 4K and HD simultaneously or output 4K 60p via the built-in 12G SDI output. Due to the presence of 3 sensors, the PSW Z2 AD offers an incredible low-light performance, hence anyone with a penchant for shooting in low light should check this out. If you are shooting behind the scenes in HD and would like to add 4K to your repertoire, the Panasonic Agency X2000 camcorder can help balance your needs. This amazing camcorder features a 1x2.5-inch 8.29 million MOS sensor that shoots at 4K resolution and contains a Venice processing engine to scale the 4K image for full HD delivery. Comprising of a 24x zoom, its Leica decomer lens covers the range from 25mm to 600mm, and it uses the digital iZoom feature to zoom up to 48 times. Its face detection autofocus feature will allow you to track faces and automatically adjust focus on your subject. Equipped with manual control rings and a control dial, it also has a 5-axis optical image stabilization to keep your shot steady. The 3.5-inch fold-out LCD features a high-resolution touchscreen. The camera incorporates 2 SD card slots and also supports live streaming over 2.5 GHz via Wi-Fi. Moreover, a microphone holder is also attached to hold a standard shotgun mic, and the handle also features a shoe mount and mounting thread for additional accessories. The Panasonic HC-X2000 offers you the options and flexibility that is second to none. Whether you are shooting a documentary or behind-the-scenes shoot, the HC-X2000 will be your best companion. So that was all about the top 10 best 4K camcorders in 2020. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. And do subscribe to our channel if you really want to see more videos like this on your feed.